are 77% of people stuck here? Let me ask you something: why are so many of us stuck in a cycle of stress and struggle, while the top 1% seem to have unlocked the cheat code to life? Is it luck? Is it privilege? Or is it something much, much simpler? Today, I'm breaking down the one game-changing secret that Grant Cardone, multi-millionaire and wealth-building guru, says can completely transform your financial future. Spoiler alert: it's not what you think. This isn't about skipping coffee or living frugally, it's about flipping the script entirely. Imagine earning 10 times more, building unstoppable cash flow, and creating the freedom you've always dreamed of. Sounds impossible? Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. So, are you ready to take the first step toward wealth and freedom? Hit that like button, subscribe, and buckle up, because this might just be the most important video you'll ever watch. Did you know that 77% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, yet the top 1% hold over 40% of global wealth? What if I told you there's one simple trick Grant Cardone says can change all of that? Today, we're diving deep into this controversial yet powerful advice to see if it can really transform your financial future. Let me introduce you to Grant Cardone. He's a real estate mogul, best-selling author, and someone who went from being broke at 25 to building a fortune worth over $600 million. Grant is famous for his no-nonsense, 10x philosophy: thinking bigger, acting faster, and multiplying results. One of his signature principles revolves around a simple yet powerful mindset shift. But what is this trick, and does it really work for everyday people like you and me? That's what we're exploring in this video. The problem: why most people struggle financially. Let's take a moment to address the elephant in the room. Why is financial success so elusive for so many people? The savings myth. Most people believe that saving every penny is the key to wealth. They live frugally, skip the daily coffee, and cut out small luxuries. But as Grant says, you can't save your way to wealth. Inflation eats away at savings, and living this way keeps you in a scarcity mindset. Fear of risk. Many people are afraid to take risks. They stick to safe investments or stay in low-paying jobs because it feels secure. But as we'll learn, taking calculated risks is essential for financial growth. Lack of financial education. Schools don't teach us how to build wealth. Most people don't know how to invest, scale their income, or manage money effectively, which keeps them trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. Does this sound familiar? If so, don't worry, you're not alone. But the good news is that these are all things you can change. Grant Cardone's approach to wealth building. Now, let's look at how Grant Cardone tackles these challenges head-on. His approach can be summarized in 3 core principles. Focus on income, not expenses. Grant believes that instead of focusing on saving money, you need to focus on earning more. He emphasizes the importance of high-income skills, things like sales, marketing, or investing, that can dramatically increase your earning potential. Example: instead of cutting out your $5 coffee, focus on creating an additional stream of income that earns you $500 or more a month. The 10x rule. This is Grant's flagship concept. Set goals that are 10 times bigger than what you think you can achieve, and take action at 10 times the level you think is necessary. Real-life story. Grant talks about how he initially aimed to save $100,000 but shifted his mindset to earning $1 million instead. The result? He hit that $1 million goal much faster than expected. Cash flow is king. Grant emphasizes the importance of cash flow, especially through passive income streams. His favorite method? Real estate. By investing in properties that generate monthly rental income, you create a financial safety net that grows over time. The simple trick that changes everything. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. The one simple trick that Grant Cardone insists can change your financial future. Obsess over income-producing activities. What does this mean in practice? Step 1. Identify high-value activities. Focus on tasks that directly lead to income. This could be prospecting for clients, developing a scalable product, or networking with people who can open doors for you. Step 2. Scale your efforts. Once you find what works, scale it. Grant suggests automating repetitive tasks or outsourcing them so you can focus on growing your income. Step 3. Reinvest your earnings. Don't just spend your extra income, put it to work. Invest in assets like real estate, stocks, or a business that can generate passive income. To illustrate, Grant often shares a personal story of how he started small with his real estate investments, buying one property at a time. Over time, he reinvested his earnings into more properties, creating a snowball effect that led to massive wealth. Addressing doubts and misconceptions at this point, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but will it work for me? Let's address some common objections. I don't have the skills or resources to start. Grant argues that everyone has skills, they just need to be refined. Start by earning a high-income skill like sales or investing, and leverage free resources like YouTube and online courses. What if I fail? Failure is part of the process. Grant himself has faced setbacks, he views them as learning opportunities. The key is to keep moving forward and not let fear hold you back. It sounds too good to be true. Wealth building is not an overnight process. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But by shifting your focus to income-producing activities, you'll start seeing results faster than you think. Practical action steps for viewers. Here's how you can apply Grant's advice starting today. Write down your current income and expenses. Identify areas where you can focus on income growth. 2. Research and choose one high-income skill to develop. 3. Commit to spending at least 1 hour a day on income-producing activities. Start small. Look for opportunities to earn extra cash, whether through freelancing, investing, or starting a side hustle. Reinvest your earnings into scalable opportunities, like real estate or a business. To sum it up, wealth isn't about saving, it's about creating. By focusing on income-producing activities, adopting a 10x mindset, and reinvesting your earnings, you can break free from financial limitations and build the life you've always dreamed of. Now it's your turn. What do you think of Grant Cardone's advice? Are you ready to focus on income-producing activities and take your financial journey to the next level? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more insights into wealth building, make sure to check out my video on the 5 investments every millionaire makes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.